Well, hello everybody. My name is Harrison Painter and this is your motivational, inspirational, and informational video of the day. All right, you know I love to share stories with you showing that anything is possible, and today I've got just one of those. Sneak peek. You're going to be blown away by this, but let's talk about the evolution of the cell phone. I had one of those cell phones. I actually got a free one when I bought my first brand new car, and it was a bag phone. It was in this big black bag, and then you had a cord to this other big, huge headset, right? Then I got my first cell phone bill, because back then it was like 1-900 sex lines. It was $3.99 a minute.
Come on the hottest live line now. Call 6969. Fulfill your every desire now for as little as $50 per call.
And then I had the StarTech flip phone. And of course the phones got smaller and smaller and, you know, all handy dandy like this one. And then we got a little bit bigger and bigger, trying to make everything. Remember these, the Palms? You always lost the damn stylus. Hated that. What I still think to this day is the perfect business phone, the Blackberries. Now the things of beauty like the iPhone and the Google phone, which I highly recommend. And even we just had the release of the Nexus 1 now. So the technology is moving so quickly. But something was released this week at the CES, which is a big consumer technology show. And I've got to share it with you because this is like the coolest thing ever. Quadricopter. Did you see the joy in that man's face? Pa-rum-pa-bum-bum, me and my drone.
ET phone home.
I'm with you. Watch this next part very closely. You know, he just annoyed the hell out of his wife. It gets even better. This thing is going to be responsible for keeping guys from getting laid all over the world. See? Yes, that said a robot. You get to play against a robot. You guys know how much I love video. This has 2 video cameras. It does this spinny thingy. Look at this. All right, everybody, again, showing you anything is possible. That's it for me. My name is Harrison Painter. I will see you all tomorrow, so go out there, blow it up, make it happen, and love it. Love it.